Rainy days and Mondays always get me down. Blame it on the rain, oh yeah. Blame it on the rain. I'm gonna blame it on the rain. I'm blaming it on the rain. Listen to the rhythm of the falling rain, telling me just what a fool I've been. It's raining today. You still want to go outside and play? Do you wanna? Do you want to go outside? Do you want to go get some chicken fried rice? Do you want a chew bone? Do you want to go play with Chewbacca? Do you want to go to PetSmart? Do you want to go get some treats? Do you want to go play outside? Do you want to eat? Do you want to sleep? Oh, you want to sleep. Okay. Are you tired? You are tired. I love you, Abby. Do you want a kiss? Is that what you want? A kiss? Yes, Valentine's Day is coming soon. And I'll give you your kiss right now for Valentine's Day. Because it's rainy outside. Really, you'll get soaked again. We just dried you off. You're such a beautiful girl. We love you. Do you want to build a snowman? Well, you can't because it's rain. It's not snow out there. Sorry. You know how much I love you? I'm coming to give you a big kiss, my little girl. You're our beautiful German Shepherd, Abigail. You want a kiss? Come on, give me Kissy. I love you so much. Get ready for Kissy. Ready? I love you. Oh, you got an itch. Do you want to go somewhere? Do you want to? Do you? Do you want to? Oh, the rain's stopping us from going away. Yes, we love you. Say goodbye. Say goodbye, Abby. Bye, boy. I love you too.